students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the question number 7 of chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry of exercise 9.1. So the question number 7 says, from a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the tower. So according to the question, the first thing is to draw the figure, and then accordingly we will start solving the question. Okay. So it is being given in the question that a high building is given that is 20 meters high, and on the top of the building there is a transmission tower placed. Okay. And the angles of elevation from one point on the ground is given to be 45 degrees and 60 degrees when viewed to the bottom of the transmission tower and viewed to the top of the transmission tower. So the first thing is to draw the top building, high building, which is 20 meter high, and the second thing is to draw the point from where the elevation is being viewed, from where the tower is being used. Okay, viewed. Now let us draw the building. So let us say this is my building. So I am marking it with PQ. So my building is 20 meter high. I am writing over here building to avoid the confusion. Okay. Now I am taking a point on the ground to be R. So this is my ground level. So this is my ground level. I am taking this ground level and I am taking this point from where I am viewing my tower to be R. Okay. Now on the top of this building is my tower placed, is my transmission tower placed. Let this be my transmission tower. Okay, let this be my transmission tower. So this is my transmission tower. Okay, now it is being given in the question that the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top, of the bottom and the top. So bottom is this of the transmission tower. So this is the bottom. So this is 45 degrees given to me, and also the top elevation is also given to me, that is 60 degrees. That is 60 degrees. Okay. So this is bottom elevation, this is top elevation, this is the tower, and we need to find out the height of the tower. That means we need to find out this H. Let us mark PQRS. Let us mark this point to be S. Okay, understood? Now we are going to solve this for this H. Now the ground level also we are not knowing, so let us take some variable to be X over here, because the ground level distance also we don't know. So we will be applying all the trigonometric concepts and solving for the height of the transmission tower. So let us write height of transmission tower is equals to SQ, which is equal to H according to my figure. Okay, QP is the height of building. It is the height of building given to us, that is 20 meters. Okay, so we will be taking, firstly we will be taking the triangle PQR, then we will be taking the triangle PSR, and then we will be solving both the triangles. We will be taking the angles, trigonometric ratios to be 45 degrees and 60 degrees, and we will be solving for the height of the transmission tower. So let us take firstly the triangle PQR. Taking triangle PQR. Okay, so in the PQR we can easily see this is my 90 degrees. So RQ is the hypotenuse, RP is the base, and PQ is the perpendicular, and PQ is the perpendicular. So tan 45 degrees will be equal to perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is PQ and base is RP. Base is RP. Okay, so tan 45 degrees. So tan 45 degrees will be equal to PQ is given to us 20 and RP we have assumed it to be X. Okay, so I am substituting X over here. Tan 45 degrees, we already know the value of tan 45 degrees is 1. So I am putting 1 is equals to 20 by X. So therefore, when I will be cross multiplying it, because it is 1 by 1, I will be getting X is equal to 20. X is equal to 20. That means the ground level, the distance of the ground level from the point on the ground, the distance of the point from the on the ground from the building is 20 meters. Is 20 meters also. Okay. Now we will be taking the triangle to be PRS. Okay. Taking triangle PRS. So in the triangle PRS also we will be applying tan 60, because the elevation here given to us is 60 degrees. So tan 60 is equal to perpendicular upon base. Now here the perpendicular is equal to SP and the base is equal to RP. Okay. Now SP is made up of, SP is equal to SQ plus QP. Okay. So SP is equal to SQ plus QP. Okay. So SP will be equal to, SQ is H and QP is 20, which is given to us. Okay. So in the place of SP, we will be replacing it with H plus 20. So tan 60 is under root 3, we already know. SP will be replacing by 20 plus H. Okay, this is 20 and this is H. This forms 4 SP. Height of the building plus height of the transmission tower. Okay, upon RP is X. Okay, upon RP is X. So let us mark this equation to be 1. So from 1, we can easily put the value of X from 1. So we will be getting root 3 is equal to 20 plus H upon 20. Upon 20, because the value of X came out to be 20. Okay. So now solving it. This 20 is in denominator this side. When it will go that side to the LHS, it will go with the multiplication. Okay. So we will be getting root 3 into 20 is equal to 20 plus H. So now it becomes 20 root 3 is equal to 20 plus H. This H we need to find out because it is the height of the transmission tower. Okay, in the question. So this 20 is in addition in the RHS. When it will go on the LHS, it will go with the negative sign. Okay, so therefore H will be equal to 20 root 3 minus 20. So therefore H will be equal to, I will be taking 20 to be common. So the height of tower came out to be 20 into under root 3 minus 1. So this is my height of the tower. So this is my answer. So therefore height of transmission tower is equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1 meters. In such form only it is given in the answer at the back. If you want, you can put 1.732 minus 1, so it will be 0.732. So you can also put 20 into 0.732. So that will come out to be 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6, 7 to the 14. 1 0 is there already. We are having 1 0 here, and so it will in the form of numbers it will be 14.640 meters, because root 3 value is 1.732 and minus 1 will give me 0.732 multiplied by 20, because 20 is outside the back bracket, so it will give me 14.640. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so in such a manner we need to solve such type of questions. When the elevation is given, we need to understand elevation is of what? Of the building, of the tower, or of what? Some of the students get confused that the building and tower both are given, so how can we view? So first the building is there, on the top of that the tower is placed, and the elevation is of the tower, the elevation of the foot of the tower and of the top of the tower. So from the foot of the tower it was 45 degrees, so I had drawn Q as the foot of the tower. It is the foot of the tower. So from the foot the elevation was 45 degrees, and from the top, this is the top, from the top it was 60 degrees, so I had drawn the elevation 60 degrees, and R is the point on the ground which it is being given in the question. Okay, so thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.